Hi friends, welcome to my channel Job Updates by Verma. I give daily job updates in my channel for every sector, government sector, private sector, engineering sector as well as PSU jobs. If you have come first time in my channel, please subscribe our channel because you will be beneficiate from our channel with daily job notification, career guidance as well as interview tips. So today's job notification has come from Amazon. They are hiring software development engineer position. They are hiring freshers. We will discuss in detail in this video. So let's start this video. If you have not subscribed still now, click the subscribe button below this video. Okay, so Amazon has published their notification on 5th February and they are hiring software development engineer position, freshers recruitment it is. And all of you have idea about Amazon. They will give a very good salary to all of you. So the job profile name is software development engineer. Working location will be Haryana. Experience needed is BE, BTech, ME, MTech. Your eligibility criteria should be experience required is 0 to 2 years. Job description here is mentioned that you have to do some best thing, like you have to do very important thing for customers, discover buy anything online. You can help them to continue to enable people to discover new worlds and create change in meaningful lasting way. So they are looking for very passionate experienced software developers who can lead a team of developers in delivering high quality software solution to support variety of customers use cases. Okay, developers in team need a strong understanding of computer fundamentals, experience in building full stack development, large scale distributed system, experience with web based application, and especially at massive scale is also helpful. Basic qualification: bachelor degree in computer science or related field, equivalent experience to a bachelor degree based on 3 years of work experience for every 1 year of education. If you don't have a bachelor degree, in that case 0 to 2 years of professional experience in software development. That means freshers can apply, as it is mentioned 0 to 2 years. Computer science fundamentals in object-oriented design, computer science fundamentals in data structure, you have to have these ideas. Computer science fundamentals in algorithm design, problem solving and complexity analysis. Programming languages, you have to know C, C++, Java or Perl. Preferred qualification for this drive experience in building complex software system, knowledge of professional software engineering practice and best practice for the full software development cycle, that is SDLC, including the coding standards, source control management, ability to take project from scoping requirements, experience in communicating with users. If you're really interested, you need to click on apply link. The last date is not mentioned, so as soon as you are seeing this video, you have to click on apply button for this job post. Okay, so this is the career website of Amazon. Software development engineer position is Haryana. Click on apply now. You can go through once again the notification from this page. I will give this link in my description box. So it will be redirecting to the application form. So if you have a account, you can directly log in. If you don't have an account, then you need to give your email address here. If you have an account here, or if you don't have an account, then you need to create your account here. Just click on create one, then it will be going to the registration page. So the registration page is opening to you. So we can give their email address, password. We need to choose password with all filling the eligibility criteria for choosing the password. So by creating your account, you need to again log in to that job link. So as I have mentioned, this is the creation page. You need to give here the email address, your password and confirm password, then you create your account. After creation of your account, you need to log in with Amazon account. Then after login, you just need to apply for the software development engineer position. So that's it, my friend. That is the job notification from Team Amazon. So hope this is helping you. So keep subscribing us, keep motivating us. If you have any doubt, then share your doubts in my comment section, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching this video. Thanks for your time. Have a great day. Bye.